Long ago, a squirrel Osa entered a forest and began to jump from tree to tree, making loud noises. Also in that forest lived a cocoyam plant known for its wide, bold leaves. The cocoyam called out to the squirrel and said, "Be calm. This forest is full of danger. That is why the trees, plants, and animals stay quiet to stay alive." But the squirrel ignored the advice. He told the cocoyam plant to mind its own business. Not long after, a hunter entered the forest. The squirrel was still jumping, making noise. The hunter saw it, aimed, and shot it down. While the hunter hurried to pick the squirrel, it caught one cocoyam leaf, wrapped the squirrel with it, put both in his hunting bag, and left. That day, the squirrel died, and the innocent cocoyam leaf lost its own life. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that when you enter a new environment, observe how others live. Good advice can save your life. Noise and pride attract danger. Association with reckless people is dangerous. Stubbornness of one person can bring suffering to others. So you see, not every trouble you face is your fault. Sometimes you are just close to the wrong person.